Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I decided to show you what I've been preparing on the weekends and during the week for meal prep. Here are a few photos of what we've been eating during the week. And on Sunday and Wednesdays is when I try to meal prep. So this weekend, I did decide to make baked potatoes with some ground beef and with a side salad. So this is what I'm preparing here. And I did go ahead and bake the potatoes for approximately 40 minutes at, I think I did 385 degrees. And here I'm going to go ahead and prepare my ground beef first. And all of this food that I'm preparing is from my last video, which was my Aldi haul. And some of this food I did already have on hand. And what I'm basically trying to do for the month of January is to try and eat up all the things that are in our house because I want to cleanse and get rid of some of that stuff. So if some of this looks a little weird, is because I'm just combining a lot of foods. Here I am preparing and chopping some onion and jalapenos for my oven chicken fajitas. It is a new obsession of mine, and I did record a video to show you exactly how I made these, so I will be posting that next. But here I'm simply chopping up these breasts into smaller pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and place these in this baking sheet that I lined with aluminum foil along with the vegetables that I cut. And I'm simply adding a bunch of different spices. So I added garlic, pepper, olive oil, salt, taco seasoning, anything that I thought would look and sound good with fajitas. And this little gadget, oh my god, I have been so excited to use this. I think it's called a zoodler or something like that. It's harder to use than I thought. But anyway, for this dish, I am going to use half pasta or like linguine or spaghetti and half of the zoodles. And to make the base of my sauce, I simply put I think it's 2 tablespoons of butter, a whole lemon, some garlic, and I did add 1 tablespoon of low-fat whipped cream cheese. And I am going to go ahead and add a bunch of vegetables in here. I didn't add in my zoodles because I've heard that they get mushy. I'm very new to zoodles. This is my very first time trying them, so don't take my word, but I didn't add them in because I want them to be crunchy when I do heat them up for lunch. So I did also add pepper, salt, a few other spices to this, and these were the only foods that I prepared because they actually were in larger portions than I thought. So this was enough to get us through about Wednesday or Thursday. And here I just added them to the top, turned off the stove, and just placed the lid on it. And here is all my food into little containers. I did get these containers at Walmart, and there's some bigger portions because it's for Andres. The smaller portions are for me, but I paired the chicken fajitas with the zoodles and pasta. And then on the side, I do have a few extras in these little containers here. And the jalapenos were actually spicier than I thought they were gonna be, so I placed them in a different container. And over here, I do have my baked potatoes with ground beef, corn, and tomatoes. And I did go ahead and prepare this with a side salad, and we have been eating it for lunch with a little bit of barbecue sauce. It was so good. And here's a look at a little bit of the sort of menu-ish things that I wrote for the week so that I can stay on track. And basically, I'm not saying that these are super healthy. None of this is like the healthiest, or it's not any type of diet. But I feel that for my own well-being and for how busy I am, it's better and it's easier for me to meal prep 2 times a week, because I am prepared for the week. I'm prepared for when I'm busy, and it just helps me and my husband function better. So I really hope that this is a little bit of an idea to get you going on meal prepping. Let me know in the comments below what foods you like to meal prep, what foods you like to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe hit the little bell, and share this video with your friends, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!